Welcome lovelies. I did this hairstyle all by myself using crochet braids and it looks so beautiful. In today's video, I'm going to be trying this Amla oil I just saw this oil as I went to buy my hair product and I decided to try it on my hair. After I bought this oil, I tried to do a little bit of research on this and I found out that this oil has been used by many people. It is very popular on social media, and that it helps to nourish our hair. It makes the hair shining, it treats lice, it used as a scalp cleanser, and also that it boosts hair density. And I also found out that it prevents gray hair, it soothes the scalp and protects and strengthens our hair. So today I'm going to find out